Hi, my name is Radhika Tandon, and today I will be discussing about my inquiry-based blended learning sequence unit. My learning sequence centers on inquiring, communicating, collaborating, and creating. I am leading a Year 4 blended unit with fractions and maths being the core focus. This unit will include both in the classroom and online learning with a total of 5 lessons. In the Australian curriculum, this content descriptor will be explored in my learning sequence. Here is an outline of the learning sequence. For Lesson 1, students will revise what they have learned about fractions in the previous years. They will be introduced to fractions and decimal notation, as well as equivalent fractions. During Lesson 2, students will play a game called Fraction Matching Cards. The materials needed for this activity are cards with different fractions written on them. The teacher will create pairs of cards with equivalent fractions. Students will place the cards on the table, making sure they cannot see the fractions. Students will then flip 2 cards at a time, and the objective is to find the matching pairs. Lesson 3 is a collaborative game called Maths Relay Race. The teacher writes questions on the whiteboard related to fractions and decimal notation. The class is divided into 2 teams, and the team that finishes first and answers all the questions correctly wins. Through effective communication and teamwork, the students are able to win. Lesson 4 is an online lesson where students play Kahoot quizzes in groups via the Teams app. Lastly, Lesson 5 is also an online lesson where students work in groups to solve questions about fractions on Mathletics. This is also done through Teams. The 2 activities that I will be unpacking in this video are Kahoot and Mathletics. The 2 pedagogical framework and overview I have used are TPAC, which stands for Technological Pedagogical Content Knowledge, and the Community of Inquiry. TPAC is a framework by which educators can effectively integrate technology into their teaching. Community of Inquiry takes social presence, cognitive presence, and teaching presence and links this all together for the educational experience which students will receive. This will be discussed further in the rationale. The first online digital tool that I will be covering is Kahoot. Kahoot is an online digital tool that presents multiple choice questions to students about a certain topic. Students join the quiz by entering a code onto their device, and they can see the questions on the classroom projector. There is even a leaderboard to represent who is answering the questions accurately and quickly. Students are able to work in teams and use their own collaboration skills, such as effective communication, teamwork, critical thinking, and time management. Kahoot is a great resource, and I have personally seen the teacher use this with their class on my placement. Students are able to revise what they have learned by using Kahoot, and the teacher has a greater understanding of which students have grasped the content and which students require more help. There are numerous benefits of using Kahoot. Students receive quick feedback, and they can see if the answers are correct or incorrect, helping them to learn from their mistakes quickly. Another benefit is teamwork, where students can be in groups, encouraging them to work together and learn as a team. Teachers are able to track students' progress. More benefits include custom lessons, where teachers are able to create their own games or choose from existing ones. Additionally, it is easy to access, and students can play Kahoot on any device. These include phone, tablet, or computer. This online digital tool also uses a point system where a leaderboard is displayed and shows the top 5 students, based on if their answer is correct or incorrect and how quickly they answer. The teacher can check for understanding and use the data to tailor the next lesson accordingly. Student engagement is also increased. The second online digital tool that I will be covering is Mathletics. This online digital tool is designed to help students improve their mathematical skills. It has a variety of activities, games, and challenges that make learning maths fun and engaging. Mathletics offers a wide range of math problems and exercises for students to solve. These activities are linked to the school curriculum. This resource adjusts the difficulty of problems based on students' ability level so they can learn at their own pace. Students are able to compete against others from around the world. They also earn points, badges, and certificates as they complete activities. As a result, this motivates students to keep improving. Teachers also use Mathletics to assign homework and track student progress. There are several benefits to this resource. Students are able to receive instant feedback on their answers, allowing them to learn from their mistakes. Both teachers and the students can track progress over time. More benefits are that Mathletics is linked with the school curriculum, and lastly, there is a reward system which encourages and motivates students to keep on improving. What is the relationship between classroom and online activities? In the classroom, students engage in direct instruction, hands-on activities, and feedback, whereas online, there is personalized learning opportunities and access to digital resources. Now on to concluding remarks. As seen from this learning sequence, students will be able to meet the Year 4 achievement standards. I believe that Kahoot and Mathletics are great online digital tools to help with students' journey in studying fractions. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I will see you next time.